Okay, so for class, open up on page 67. Okay, so we have busy maths, page 67, question 1. We have to measure the length of each side of these triangles, alright? So if you don't have a ruler at home, contact me in Class Dojo and I will tell you the dimensions are here, right? So if you have a ruler, measure these angles. Measure these lines, because these are lines, these are straight lines. And say for example, this is 7 centimeters, alright? Maybe what's this one going to be? If they're all equal, it should be 7. And if they're all equal, they should be 7, okay? So if you are confused or you don't have a ruler at home, contact me in Class Dojo and I'll tell you the measurements for all of these, alright? Then question 2, using the above information, fill in the blanks, okay? So 2A, an triangle has 3 equal sides. So what triangle do we know has 3 equal sides? An equilateral triangle. This isosceles triangle has how many sides? 2. Okay, and this this isosceles triangle has 2 sides of the same length. Okay, 2 angles of the same degree as well. This scalene triangle has 0 sides the same length. 0 sides. How many angles does it have the same degree? 0. So it has no angles that are the same, right? So I want you to answer these questions based on our knowledge of triangles. So we should know this from yesterday's work, right? It should be very fresh with us. Okay, and then here, join each dot to the number beside it and the number opposite it, alright? So, for example, we have 1 to 2, so we've joined the numbers beside it and the number opposite it. So if we join this one here, opposite, actually we'll do our lines instead, make them nice and clean. Okay, so we've got one line here, we've got one line to here, we've got one line here already, okay? Now if we're going from 6, we've got one line from here to here, we've got one line from here to here, and then if we have 4, we have one line across, we have one line this way, we have one line that way. So that's what it should look like at the end, shouldn't it? So what shape have we drawn now? And how many triangles do we have inside of this? So remember, how many sides does a triangle have? 3. Could we maybe have more than one triangle? So for example, could we have a triangle here? Could we have a bigger one? Could we have a smaller one? Could we have a different size one? So try find as many triangles as you can inside there. And what type of triangles are they? Okay, so try find out what type of triangles are they. Are they equilateral, scalene, isosceles? What do you think they are? Okay, and then question 4 down here. How many triangles can you see between the red lines on the side of this glass? So how many triangles can you see between the red lines? So inside here, okay? So maybe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the bottom line, okay? Now we also have one here. We also have this one up this way. We also have one going across here. We have 1, 2, 3 here, okay, and we also have another small one up here then. So we have loads of triangles that we can pick from. We have one triangle here, a big triangle there then. See, so we have loads of triangles. Okay, so we have loads of triangles here. Try count as many as you can. Okay, so there's definitely more than just the 3, 5, and what was it again, 9. So you definitely had more than the 17 that are supposed to be there, right? So we have one big one, we have loads of different small ones, and we have a few medium ones as well. So find as many as you can. And then 5 down here, we're going to draw a scalene triangle into our copy, right? So what's a scalene triangle again? It has how many sides that are equal length and how many angles are equal. Okay, so draw a scalene triangle, okay? Not equilateral, not isosceles, a scalene one, and show me, right? Okay, perfect, that's all I have to do for maths.